Turn your phone into the ultimate big screen experience by mirroring your Samsung phone to your Samsung TV. First, ensure both your Samsung phone and your Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a smooth wireless connection. On your Samsung phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open your quick panel. You'll see a row of icons here. Look for the Smart View icon. It usually looks like a screen with a Wi-Fi signal. Tap on it. Your phone will now scan for available devices. You should see your Samsung TV listed. Tap on your TV's name to initiate the connection. On your TV, you might see a prompt asking for permission to connect on your phone. Simply tap Start Now or a similar button to confirm. And just like that, your phone screen is mirrored onto your Samsung TV. You can now easily share photos, watch videos, surf the web, or even play games on a much larger display. Enjoy your favorite content like never before, wirelessly and effortlessly, with the incredible convenience of screen mirroring between your Samsung devices.